It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, power windows with 2 auto express windows, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls, and dials with a park brake just below. All-weather floor mats with a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with those Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both front headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and the heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider button, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got these shortcuts down below. It does include navigation, and the screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right is hitch guidance, and to the far right is hitch view. The hard buttons for our radio and media options, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, hill descent control, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. Just below that is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and to the left here we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the AT4 there are red tow hooks, fog lights, 18-inch all-terrain wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator and a black mirror cap, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window slider, a 2-inch factory lift, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got GMC's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats with a carpeted insert on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either one of the rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.